Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daily Slay with me. Thank you for tuning in to my video. If this is your first time watching, hey, if you are returning, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Today I'll be showing you guys how I get this braid, honey. Okay, and I'll show you guys step by step. I'll show you what I use, and I'll also link below some of the items if you're not familiar with them. This tutorial is definitely natural hair friendly, so sis, you're gonna see when this clip goes to the beginning, my hair is out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys enjoy these hair tutorials, definitely comment below. I will keep them coming. I love doing hair, especially if I can save coins, so don't forget to do that. Right, so my hair right now, I wash my hair so it's all soft and clean and stuff. This is my natural hair, like in its natural state when it's dry, no product. This is definitely natural hair friendly, how to slick your hair down for the ponytail and stuff. I don't want to put heat in my hair to make the little ponytail. I've noticed that a lot of people, you know, hair is already straight or they had to flat iron their hair, and I'm trying to avoid the heat. So yeah, so I'm about to take this off. It's a little bit damp, like from air drying, but I'm gonna spray some more water in it just to make sure it's nice and sleek and it's easy for me to sleek it down. Okay, so I got some water in the spray bottle. Oh, I'm about to say, where the water at? And I'm just spraying it all over my hair, especially in the roots, so it could lay down. I don't want the roots to be tangled at all. I don't want no issues. Alright, so the next I'm going to use in my hair is some oil. This is argan oil mixed with Jamaican black castor oil. This is what I use in my hair to moisturize it anytime I do my hair. It's very thick, but it does keep your hair moisturized and it helps with growth. Like, next thing is this brush. I got it from Amazon and I will link it below in case y'all want to buy it. This changed my wash day life, okay? Like, this makes my hair so soft and I just love it. Like, I know you see them curls bouncing. So this brush really helps with detangling, and it helps to not take out a lot of hair, like when you're brushing your hair out. I've always had that issue when I do my wash hair day, like a lot of hair be coming out and I don't like that. Now I'm using my camera in front of me, so if it ain't completely straight, y'all, don't come for me. The next important thing that I use is the Eco Styling Gel in the olive oil style, flavor, whatever. Y'all, this one, the green top one, this one works with my hair and I could use it on my edges. It holds it down, but this is like my everyday use hair gel, anything, and it doesn't make my hair dry. It easily comes out when I wash my hair. Like, it doesn't make it flaky. That's important, so I like that. And as y'all can see, like, it's almost finished. So I don't play no games when it comes to this. This holds my hair all the way down. Next, I'm going to use this brush. It's a two-sided brush, the soft side, the hard side. I use this every day as well when I do my hair, so it really helps to slick my hair back. And I got this from a beauty supply store. Y'all, people don't understand how natural hair is like a lot of work, and your net gotta be strong because you gotta make sure you're like going against the brush when you're brushing it, so it helps to hold it down. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a quick 360 of what I'm looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing baby hairs, but I'm gonna tie my hair down first because with my baby hairs and how I do them, I don't want them to be like laid down. I want them to look, you'll see. So get some Eco Styling Gel on your hand and just plaster it all over. Got my got to be glue right here. It ain't no Gorilla Glue. Don't play with me. I need my hair. I'm about to take this off now. I think I did it for like 5 minutes, so that should be enough. Okay, and waves on point, here looking shiny. Anyway, okay, so let me do my edges and show y'all how I do that. I know a lot of people hate this product because it doesn't keep their edges down, but I like to keep my edges looking a little bit natural depending on what look I'm going for. In this look, I want it to look natural, so I'm not gonna tie my edges down or none of that, and I'm gonna be using this right here. Yes, sis, I know everybody hates it, but I started loving this like about last year because I hated it too. Once the sun hits this, it's over for your edges, but y'all won't see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna be using, you know, edge brush. I got this from Amazon. I could also try linking this if I could find it. I'll link this below. I'm gonna put, like, tap it inside of it to like get a little bit on there. And then I normally go for like these right here. These edges don't look alike, but we just gonna leave it. So now it's time to put the braid in. I will be using the, what's it called? Feather Pre-Feathered Braid by Bobbi Boss, period. And the 54 inches, this is what it looks like. It has, let me see what girl is on it. Normally I be buying stuff like when hairstylists say go get some hair, I look for the girl on it. So it has this girl on it if y'all want to go cop this. So it's pretty long, like it's pretty long, and it's already feathered, so you don't have to worry about that at the ends, period. I'm gonna be using 1.5. I think we'll see if that'll change by the time I start braiding, but for right now I should be using 1.5. I think that'll be thick enough. So let's get to that portion. All right, y'all, so I got the hair. I separated one pack, and I got a little, honestly I said 1.5 earlier, but I kind of took a little bit than that, so I took like 1/4 of the other pack because I feel like one pack of hair just wasn't going to be enough for me and the size of my head. I feel like smaller heads you probably be able to get away with one pack, but I don't want my braid to be too skinny. So yeah, and I kind of feathered the hair myself a little bit more. I'll show y'all what it looks like at the ends, but it looks like this. That's what the ends look like. So it's a little bit feathered, not nothing crazy. And I'm just combing through the hair with my fingers because the key to this braid is slickness, right? We can't have the braid looking all tangled up, so we got to make sure the hair is all smoothed out. And this braiding hair period is like hard to keep untangled, so it's important to do that as much as you can. So that's what I'm doing right now. My feet is covered in a lot of stray hairs. It feels so weird, I had to say that, y'all. But yeah, all right, so you have the hair, right? 2 sections. You're gonna put the front half, you're gonna put half, well not half, you're gonna put like a little bit less than half in the front of your head. So we're gonna put this much hair in the front, right? You're gonna place it on top of your ponytail, hold it, and put this much in the front. Try to keep this hair together as much as possible, but this is the amount. It's not even half, so keep that in the front. It'll help if you have somebody there with you to help you, but to like hold the front, but we just gonna be doing this by ourselves. So get your hair tied because we're about to tie this onto your ponytail. Now I'm about to take a piece out of the front piece, small piece like this, to wrap around the ponytail afterwards. So just take a small piece from the front piece and keep it like in here. So I'm about to stick it. Y'all about to see something real ratchet. I'm about to stick it in my shirt just so I could keep it out of the way. Okay. So I got 3 sections. I'm gonna separate the hair. Try to get to the root as much as possible because that will help to make it look natural. Y'all see I'm already tangling, child. Anyway. Detangle as you go because y'all gonna see them lumps. Y'all gonna see them lumps coming out eventually. All right, y'all, we at the end. This is how long the braid is, period. We at the end. I'm just gonna put like a little black rubber band at the end because I don't want it to braid no more. And I see people use like different stuff if they're trying to decorate the braid. You could put jewelry on here. You can really do whatever you want with this braid, but I'm just gonna do it simple for my beginners. I'll cut a little bit of it off. Okay. Looks like a fresh cut, but y'all get it. And I'm gonna get my Got2b glue because period, Got2b glue keeps everything down. And I'm gonna just like pour a little bit out somewhere. I'll put some on my hair like this and do some like that to like sleek it, but I'm kind of like spreading it out a little bit because I want it to cover, you know, a good amount. So I'm gonna put it about like right there. I think I get a few wraps out of it, and then I'm gonna keep adding as I go. So I noticed I got some flyaways like back here close to my bun, and I don't like that, so I'm gonna use some Got2b glue like on the flyaways back here, because why is you acting up? Like, that's what I'm talking about. They just be doing whatever they want and it's so annoying. Now it's time for the tucking of my natural hair. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more like tucked in from the Got2b glue, but I guess not. So I'm just gonna use some Got2b glue with my fingers and like try to like tuck my natural hair in. Now I'm about to get some mousse and put it on my braid. I'm gonna be using this African's Best olive oil foam wrap. I got this from the beauty supply store, so it's definitely not expensive, but we're gonna do something like that. Guys, this is my hair after the mousse is dry, and don't play with her. For somebody that's doing a braid at home by themselves, like, this is pretty good. So number one tip is make sure you are detangling the hair as you go, and make sure you put like a little bit less than half of the hair in the front when you are, you know, putting it on top of your natural hair. Definitely natural hair friendly, and it's even better if your hair is straight. It'll blend perfectly. But I think this is not bad. If you're looking for something that's super easy at home, and people pay for stuff like this, if you can do this by yourself, I don't know how much they charge, but you could save you some money. So yes, y'all, my hair is looking really cute. I love it. If you guys like it as well, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to like the video, and comment below if you're feeling it. Share this video with your friends and family. I know somebody's birthday coming up, I know some event coming up, or you simply gonna be outside and you want something simple and easy to go outside with and do by yourself. So yes, definitely share this, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.